Blenders have become essential kitchen appliances for anyone looking to enjoy healthy and delicious drinks on the go. This COSORI blender for shakes and smoothies, a 9-piece 800-watt powerhouse, promises to be the perfect blend of performance, convenience, and versatility. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and overall value of the COSORI blender, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your kitchen needs. From the moment you unbox the COSORI blender, it's clear that this appliance is designed with the user in mind. The package includes 800 watts high-torque base, a powerful motor that ensures efficient blending and ice crushing. 2 24-ounce cups and 1 12-ounce cup, BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. These cups are perfect for making single or multiple servings. Storage and travel lids, convenient for storing or taking your drinks on the go. Cleaning brush makes cleaning the blender parts a breeze. Recipe book offers a variety of recipes to get you started. The COSORI blender boasts a sleek and modern design, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. The compact size means it doesn't take up much counter space, which is a plus for those with smaller kitchens. The base is sturdy and built to last, providing a solid foundation for the powerful motor and blade assembly. The blender features a patented stainless steel 6-piece blade assembly designed to handle a variety of blending tasks. The blades are crafted with 3 different edges: sharp edges for cutting through fruits and vegetables, blunt edges for crushing ice and seeds, and whole blades for nutrient and vitamin extraction. This thoughtful design ensures that you get the most out of your ingredients with every blend. One of the standout features of the COSORI blender is its powerful performance. The 800-watt motor can reach a peak RPM of 23,000, allowing it to crush ice, blend smoothies, puree fruits and vegetables, and even make desserts with ease. Whether you're making a morning smoothie, a post-workout protein shake, or a frozen treat, the COSORI blender delivers consistent and impressive results. The blender offers 3 modes of operation: start-stop, auto, and pulse. These modes provide versatility and control over your blending process. Start-stop mode, for manual blending, allow you to start and stop the blender as needed. Auto mode blends ingredients in 3-second intervals with 1-second breaks, automatically shutting off after 10 cycles. This mode is perfect for hands-free operation and ensures a smooth blend. Pulse mode, press and hold the pulse button to blend ingredients at the highest speed. This mode is ideal for tougher ingredients and precise control. The COSORI blender is designed for convenience and ease of use. The 3-button control panel is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to operate the blender without a steep learning curve. The cups are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, ensuring that cleanup is as easy as blending. The included cleaning brush is a thoughtful addition, helping to remove any stubborn residue from the blades and cups. With its compact size and easy-to-clean components, the COSORI blender is perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy healthy drinks without the hassle of a complicated cleanup process. Safety is a top priority with the COSORI blender. It comes equipped with overheating and overload protection, preventing the motor from overheating and extending the life of the appliance. The blender also has a sturdy base that keeps it stable during operation, even when blending tough ingredients. For those new to blending or looking to expand their repertoire, the included recipe book is a great resource. It features a variety of recipes for smoothies, shakes, and other blended treats, providing inspiration and guidance to help you get the most out of your COSORI blender. The COSORI blender offers excellent value for money, combining high performance, versatility, and convenience in one compact appliance. Its powerful motor, durable construction, and thoughtful design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enjoy healthy and delicious blended drinks at home. Final thoughts. The COSORI blender for shakes and smoothies is a top-notch appliance that delivers on its promises. With its powerful motor, versatile blending modes, and easy-to-clean design, it's an excellent choice for busy individuals and health enthusiasts alike. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, or making desserts, the COSORI Blender is up to the task of providing consistent and impressive results every time. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-quality, reliable, and user-friendly blender, the COSORI Blender for shakes and smoothies should be at the top of your list. Its combination of power, performance, and convenience makes it a standout choice for any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on your favorite kitchen gadgets.